Spirituality is a complex and deeply personal aspect of human experience that encompasses a wide range of beliefs, practices, and perspectives. While I can't definitively answer why humans seem to have a need for it, I can search for meaning and purpose. Humans often seek answers to fundamental questions about the meaning and purpose of life. Spirituality provides a framework through which individuals can explore and make sense of these existential inquiries. Affection and belonging. Spirituality can foster a sense of connection and belonging both to a greater cosmic order and to a community of like-minded individuals. This sense of belonging can offer comfort, especially during emotional fulfillment. Spiritual practices and beliefs can provide a source of emotional fulfillment, inner peace, and contentment. Engaging in spiritual practices such as meditation, prayer, or mindfulness can help individuals manage stress, guidance, and moral values. Many spiritual traditions offer ethical and moral guidelines that help individuals navigate their lives and make decisions. These principles can provide a sense of direction and guide one's behavior, transcendence, and transpersonal experience. Spirituality often involves the exploration of transcendent or transpersonal experiences, such as moments of awe, wonder, or connection to something greater than oneself. These experiences can lead to a sense of and interconnectedness. Coping with uncertainty. Spirituality can provide a framework for dealing with the uncertainties and challenges of life. Beliefs in a higher power, divine plan, or afterlife can offer comfort and reassurance in times of difficulty, personal growth, and self-discovery. Many spiritual practices encourage self-reflection, self-awareness, and personal growth. Engaging in these practices can lead to a deeper understanding of oneself and one's place in the world. Creativity and inspiration. Spiritual beliefs and practices can inspire creativity, artistic expression, and innovative thinking. Many artists, writers, and thinkers have drawn inspiration from their spiritual insights. It's important to note that not all individuals feel a need for spirituality, and the reasons for engaging in spiritual practices can vary widely from person to person. Additionally, spirituality can take many forms, ranging from organized religions to personal belief systems to secular forms of mindfulness and self-improvement.